Hi, first grade. This lesson is for Foundations, Unit 4, Week 2, Day 1. Our learning goal is I can spell and read first grade words, including words with digraphs, bonus letters, and glued sounds. Let's practice our drill sounds warm-up. I'm going to say the letter, keyword, and sound, and you echo me. W-H, whistle, W. C-H, chin, ch. S-H, ship, sh. T-H, thumb, f. C-K, sock, k. Now let's do our vowel extensions. I'm going to say the vowel's name, and I'm going to make the vowel sound until I get all the way to the keyword, and then you are going to do it after me all by yourself. A, apple. Now it's your turn. Good job. E, ed. Now it's your turn. I, itch. Now it's your turn. O, octopus. Now it's your turn. U, up. Now it's your turn. Good job. Now we are going to learn something new today. I'm going to show you a few letters up on my screen here. You might recognize some bonus letters in this. When we have the vowel A and the bonus letters LL, it actually does something really crazy. It changes the sound that A makes. So instead of A saying ah, it's going to go aw. I know that this can be a little confusing. That's why we have a special card on your magnetic letterboard, and it looks like this. It's a green card, and it says ALL. What we did is we put these letters really closely together. We also have our own keyword for this. So this is ALL, ball, all. You can echo me. ALL, ball, all. This is called a glued sound because there is more than one sound, but they are glued very closely together. For example, it is not one sound, but two sounds. All. Do you hear both sounds? But they are like really sticky and glued together. Let me show you some examples of words with all. Here's the first word. All. Ball. When we tap this word, we're going to give the B one tap, but we're going to give ALL one tap as well, but we're going to do something very special while we tap the all sound. We're going to tap with our middle and ring fingers. So instead of tapping one finger with your thumb, you're going to tap two fingers at one time. That shows that you know that those sounds are glued so closely together, but both sounds are still there. Let's practice. B, all. Good job. We only did two taps, but our second tap for all used both our middle and our ring fingers. It's okay if you're having a hard time tapping this. You can still use just one finger if it's easier, but definitely try it out with the middle and the ring finger. Let's do one more. All. Do you know what word that is? You got it. That is fall. Let's tap it out together. All. Did you tap the glued sound all with both your middle and ring finger? Good job if you tried. Now I'd like to show you how we would mark this glued sound all. So to mark this glued sound, we have to draw a box around the glued sound. That shows that we know that those sounds are glued so tightly together they almost make one sound. Now there's actually something else we have to do that we learned last week. Can you figure out what that is? Did you say star your bonus letters? Good job. So you actually have to mark this glued sound twice. So when you see the A-L-L glued sound, you have to box that glued sound, and you also have to star the bonus letters. It's a lot of work, I know, but I know you can do it. Okay, so now we're going to do echo fine letters. For this, you're going to need your magnetic letter boards. Make sure that your teacher gave you the A-L-L glued sound tile on there. It's going to be green, so don't worry, it'll be very easy to find. I'm going to say a sound. You have to echo me, and then you're going to help me say what letter or letters makes that sound. Remember, when you see echo, you're going to repeat what I say. So say hi to Echo. When you see little baby Echo, you're going to repeat what I say. Let's get started. All. What says all? Point to the tile and say it out loud. Did you say A-L-L? Good job. And did you point to that green tile for your glued sound? Awesome. All right, let's do another. Remember, you're not moving your tiles. You're just pointing to them, echoing me, and saying the answer. All right, get ready to echo me. Shh. What says shh? Did you say SH? And did you point to that digraph tile? Good job. I. I. What says I? Did you point to the I tile and say I? Good job. Let's try one more. Qua. What says qua? Did you point to the QU and say QU? Good job. Now let's try and spell some of our unit words. These words might have bonus letters, and they also might have glued sounds, so keep an eye out for them. Okay, the word you are going to spell with your magnetic tiles is tall. Let's tap it out. All. I think I hear a glued sound in there. All. Here's how you spell the word tall. All. So you should have used the consonant T and the A-L-L glued sound letter tile. All. Also, when you tapped it out, all only gets one tap, but remember it gets 2 fingers while you tap it out. Let's try another. This word is chill. Chill. Let's tap it out together. Ch, I, ul, chill. I hear a short vowel sound in there, and I hear it ending in a ul. Take a minute and spell the word chill, and hit play when you're ready to see my answer. Here's how you spell the word chill. Ch, I, ul. Now, be very careful, because we have bonus letters there, but we also have a digraph right here, the CH. I-L. Okay, you can put these tiles away, and we're going to spell one more word on our tile boards. The word we are going to spell is wall. Wall. Let's tap it out together. W-all. Wall. Hit pause while you spell the word. Okay, first grade, I hope we all spelled the word wall. W-all. Did you use your glued sound tile? Good job. Remember, when you tap out the word wall, the ALL gets one tap, but we're using how many fingers? You got it, 2 fingers. You guys are doing great. Don't worry, we will have lots more practice with glued sounds throughout the week. All right, now I'm going to say a sentence, and you're going to write this on either a piece of paper or on your Fundations dry erase board. Take a second to get the materials you need and hit play when you're ready to hear the sentence. Here is the sentence. This hall is a mess. This hall is a mess. This hall is a mess. Hit pause while you write the sentence, this hall is a mess, and hit play when you're ready to see the correct answer. I hope you all wrote the sentence, this hall is a mess. Here's my sentence. This hall is a mess. I decided to use what kind of punctuation here? Yeah, this is an exclamation mark. I use this because I was very upset that the hall was such a mess. Now let's look closely at what we wrote. This had a glued sound and 2 bonus letters. Can you find the glued sound and the 2 bonus letters in your sentence? If you see them, make sure you mark them. Remember, we box our glued sounds and we star our bonus letters. Here's how I marked my words. I saw that the word hall had the glued sound all in it, so I put a box around that. I also have to mark my bonus letters. Do you see another word with bonus letters? You got it. The word mess has bonus letters. There are 2 S's at the end of that word. That's because they follow a short vowel sound, eh, eh. Make sure your sentence started with an uppercase letter. Good job, boys and girls. Before you go, I have one more question for you. How do we mark glued sounds? Talk about this with a partner. See you tomorrow.